In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up the Google Photos locked folder. This walkthrough is for Android, and I'll guide you step by step so your private photos and videos stay protected and safely backed up. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture or initial to open your account menu, then choose Photos Settings. Inside Settings, tap Backup. Here you'll see an option called Backup Locked Folder. Go ahead and tap that. When prompted, open your locked folder. To continue, you'll need to confirm your identity using your fingerprint, PIN, or the screen lock you already use on your device. After you've unlocked it, simply turn on Backup Locked Folder. Once this is enabled, everything stored in your locked folder, photos and videos, will be securely backed up to your Google account. That means if you sign in on another device with the same account, you'll be able to access these items there as well. They remain protected, and you'll still need your screen lock to view them, even on other devices. This is especially helpful if you switch phones or your device is lost or damaged. If you don't want to back up everything in the locked folder and prefer to choose specific items, you can trigger a manual backup for only what you need. Open Google Photos, then navigate to Collections and select Locked. Press and hold on the photos or videos you want to include, and when you see the selection appear, tap the backup option, often shown as a cloud icon. This gives you precise control without turning on backup for the entire folder. A quick but important reminder: if locked folder backup is off, those files live only on your phone. They won't be saved to the cloud, and you could lose them if you uninstall Google Photos, clear the app's data, reset your device, or lose access to your phone. Keeping backup on or backing up specific items manually protects you against those scenarios. A couple of tips as you go: make sure you're signed into the correct Google account you want to use for backup, and give your phone some time on Wi-Fi or a reliable connection so large videos can upload smoothly. If you ever change your screen lock, remember that's the same lock used to open the locked folder. That's it. Your locked folder is now secure and backed up the way you want. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to check that everything important has finished uploading before you move on.